Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you love Amazon finds, kitchen gadgets, and must-have kitchen products that actually make your daily cooking easier, then this video is for you. Today, I am sharing 25 amazing kitchen products from Amazon that can save you time, save you effort, and honestly, make your kitchen feel a whole lot more organized. These are some of the best kitchen gadgets on Amazon right now, and I have used or researched every single one before putting them on this list. And remember, all the product links are down in the description below, so you can check them out easily. Let's get right into it. This is the electric food steamer. It is perfect for anyone who wants healthy meals without much effort. It comes with a 5-quart stainless steel body and stackable trays, so you can steam vegetables, meat, and rice all at the same time. The 400-watt power heats up quickly, and the 60-minute timer means you never have to guess when your food is ready. It also has an auto shut-off feature, so it turns off on its own once cooking is complete. Cleaning is simple too, since every part is dishwasher safe. If you want to eat healthier without spending hours in the kitchen, this steamer makes it easy, quick, and stress-free every day. This is the compact centrifugal juicer, and it is a great pick for anyone who loves fresh juice at home. It has a wide 2.4-inch feed chute, so you can add whole fruits and vegetables without cutting them into small pieces first. The 400-watt motor extracts juice quickly, giving you smooth results in just seconds. It is also easy to clean, with parts that come apart fast and rinse off without hassle. This juicer takes up very little counter space, which makes it perfect for small kitchens or apartments. If you want a simple way to get more vitamins into your daily routine, this juicer is truly a smart, affordable choice for every single morning. This is the 3-in-1 breakfast station, and it turns your morning routine into something fun and simple. It combines a coffee maker, a non-stick griddle, and a 4-slice toaster oven, all in one compact unit. You can brew coffee, cook eggs or pancakes, and toast bread at the same time, saving you both time and counter space. The built-in timer helps you plan breakfast ahead, so everything is ready right when you wake up. It works well for busy mornings, dorm rooms, or small kitchens, where space is limited. If you want one appliance that does the job of 3, this breakfast station is truly a smart and very practical addition to any modern home. This is the glass teapot set, and it brings a touch of elegance to your daily tea routine. It includes 4 double-wall teacups, along with a 35-ounce borosilicate glass teapot, so you can enjoy tea that stays warm longer without burning your hands. The removable stainless steel infuser makes it easy to brew loose leaf tea or watch blooming tea flowers open right in front of you. It is safe to use on the stovetop and also works well in the microwave for quick reheating. Every piece is dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup effortless after every use. If you enjoy tea time, this elegant set makes the whole experience feel special and relaxing every single day. This is the mini food processor, and it is small but surprisingly powerful for everyday kitchen tasks. It comes with a 4-cup capacity, 2 bowls, 2 speed settings, and 4 different blades, so you can chop, dice, mix, or grind with ease. It also works well as a meat grinder, handling vegetables, meat, and nuts without any trouble. The compact size means it fits easily in small kitchens, yet it still delivers strong performance for quick meal prep. Cleaning the parts is simple, and the design keeps everything organized after use. If you want a reliable helper that saves time on chopping and mixing, this small food processor is truly a great choice for any busy home cook today. This is the coffee pod organizer, and it keeps your kitchen counter neat while making your coffee pods easy to find. The clear transparent design lets you see every pod at a glance, so there is no more digging through cluttered drawers. It works well with different pod types, including those compatible with Nespresso Vertuo machines. The compact drawer style saves space and slides smoothly, fitting nicely under coffee makers or on open counters. It is a simple upgrade that makes your morning coffee routine faster and more organized. If you love coffee and want your kitchen to look tidy at the same time, This simple pod organizer is a small change that makes a big difference every single day. This is the electric crepe maker, and it makes homemade crepes easier than you might think. It features an 8-inch non-stick pan, along with a non-stick dipping plate, so batter spreads evenly every single time. The auto shut-off feature adds safety, while the simple on and off switch makes it beginner-friendly for anyone. Even heating across the surface means your crepes cook evenly without burnt spots, and the dual temperature control lets you adjust the heat based on what you are making. It is compact enough to store easily in any kitchen. If you love crepes, pancakes, or even quesadillas, this compact maker gives you restaurant-quality results right at home every single time you cook it. This is the large dish rack, and it is designed to make drying dishes faster and more convenient. Its detachable design offers a large capacity, so you can fit plates, bowls, and pots all at once without stacking them awkwardly. It comes with an auto drain feature, which directs water away from your counter and keeps things dry underneath. Built with anti-rust materials, it is made to last through daily use without wearing down over time. It also includes a cup holder and a utensil holder, keeping everything organized in one place. If your kitchen counter always feels cluttered after washing dishes, this large dish rack helps keep things clean, tidy, and much easier to manage overall every day. This is the manual meat slicer, and it gives you full control over how your meat is cut at home. It offers adjustable thickness settings of 2 or 4 millimeters, so you can slice meat exactly the way you want for different recipes. Made from stainless steel, it is built to handle beef, pork, and other meats without dulling quickly. It works especially well for making homemade jerky, thin cuts for stir-fry, or portions for freezing. Since it is manual, there are no cords or batteries needed, making it simple and reliable to use anywhere in your kitchen. If you want precise, consistent meat slices without buying an expensive electric slicer, this simple tool gets the job done well. This is the portable electric burner, and it gives you an extra cooking surface whenever you need one. It features a durable cast iron plate and delivers 1500 watts of power, so it heats up quickly and cooks food evenly. The adjustable temperature control lets you switch between low simmering and high heat cooking with ease. Its stainless steel body looks sleek, while the non-slip feet keep it steady on any countertop. This burner is great for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or as a backup stove during holidays when you need extra space. If you want a reliable single burner that performs well without taking up much room, this portable burner is a solid pick for any kitchen. This is the Cosori Food Dehydrator, and it makes preserving food at home simple and efficient. It comes with 5 BPA-free trays, giving you plenty of space to dry fruits, vegetables, herbs, or homemade jerky. The temperature control goes up to 165 degrees Fahrenheit, letting you choose the right heat level for different foods. With 350 watts of power, it dries food evenly without needing constant attention. Built-in overheat protection adds safety, so you can let it run without worrying while you go about your day. If you enjoy healthy snacking or want to reduce food waste, this dehydrator is truly a smart and very worthwhile investment for your kitchen and your health. This is the Topwit electric pot, and it is a versatile little cooker that fits perfectly into small living spaces. Made with food-grade 304 stainless steel, it heats up quickly and is safe for daily use. It offers dual power settings, so you can cook shabu-shabu, pasta, oatmeal, soup, or even boil eggs with just one appliance. Built-in overheat and boil dry protection keeps things safe, shutting off automatically if needed. It is a favorite for dorm rooms and small offices where a full stove is not available. If you want a simple way to cook warm meals without a kitchen, this small electric pot makes it easy and convenient every single day at home. This is the rechargeable can opener, and it makes opening cans faster and completely hands-free. Just place it on the can, press the button, and let it do all the work for you. It charges through USB-C, so you never need to buy batteries again, and one charge lasts through many cans. The automatic stop feature means it knows exactly when the job is done, and it leaves a smooth edge behind with no sharp corners. This makes it safer to handle, especially for people with limited hand strength or arthritis. If you want a simple upgrade that saves effort in the kitchen every day, this can opener is a small tool that makes a really big difference. This is the kitchen knife holder, and it brings order to one of the messiest parts of any kitchen. It works as a knife block, a utensil holder, and a cutting board stand, all combined into a single organizer. The anti-slip pad keeps it steady on your countertop, so it will not shift around while you are cooking. It also includes space for pot lids, helping you keep your whole cooking area neat and easy to access. This organizer works well in kitchens of any size, from small apartments to large family homes. If you are tired of cluttered counters and scattered tools, this simple knife holder helps you stay fully organized without spending too much money at all. This is the Personal Smoothie Blender, and it is designed for people who want a quick, healthy drink on the go. With 1,000 watts of power, it blends fruits, ice, and protein powder into a smooth mix within seconds. It comes with a 24-ounce to-go cup, so you can blend your smoothie and take it straight out the door. The twist-on start and stop design makes it simple to use, with no extra buttons to figure out. Its compact size fits easily on any countertop without taking up much space. If your mornings are busy but you still want something healthy, this blender makes smoothies and protein shakes fast and simple every single busy day. This is the turkey roasting pan, and it is built for cooking large meals without any stress. Measuring 17 by 14 inches, it easily holds a turkey up to 24 pounds, making it perfect for holidays and big family dinners. The non-stick surface means food releases easily and cleanup takes less time afterward. Wider handles make it easier and safer to lift, even when the pan is full and heavy. Its heavy-duty construction is built to last through many years of cooking without warping or wearing down. If you host holiday dinners or simply love roasting big meals, this roasting pan gives you the size and durability you truly need every single time you cook a big meal. This is the vegetable chopper slicer, and it takes the hard work out of daily meal prep. This all-in-one tool lets you chop, slice, and dice vegetables quickly, cutting your prep time down significantly. It comes with a container to catch chopped pieces directly, keeping your counter clean while you work. It also includes an egg separator and other small attachments, adding even more value for everyday cooking tasks. The mandolin-style blades handle onions, potatoes, cucumbers, and more with smooth, even cuts every time. If you want to spend less time chopping and more time enjoying your meals, this vegetable chopper is truly a simple tool that makes daily cooking much faster and far easier every time. This is the batter dispenser tool, and it makes baking and cooking neater than ever before. This two-piece set includes a squeeze handle design with measurement markings, so you can pour the exact amount of batter you need every time. It works great for pancakes, cupcakes, cookies, cakes, and even waffles, giving you clean and mess-free results. No more uneven pours or batter dripping all over your counter while you cook. It is easy to fill, easy to squeeze, and just as easy to clean afterward. This makes it a great gift for anyone who loves baking or cooking at home. If neat, consistent results matter to you, this batter dispenser is definitely worth having in your kitchen. This is the hanging compost bin, and it makes managing food waste simple without taking up floor space. This 4-liter stainless steel bin comes with a lid to help contain smells, and it mounts under the sink or on a cabinet door with ease. It works well in kitchens, RVs, and even bathrooms where space is limited. The hanging design keeps it out of the way, so you are not tripping over a bulky trash can while cooking. Cleaning it out is quick and simple, making composting a part of your daily routine instead of a chore. If you care about reducing waste and keeping your kitchen tidy, this compost bin is truly a smart and space-saving choice. This is the Auto Spice Rack, and it brings order and convenience to your spice cabinet. This carousel-style rack holds 12 compartments, each one dispensing exactly 1/4 teaspoon with every twist, so measuring spices becomes effortless. It comes with 12 canisters and 55 labels, letting you organize spices exactly the way you like. The compact 8 3/4-inch design can sit on a counter or mount inside a cabinet, saving valuable space either way. No more digging through cluttered spice jars looking for the one you need. If you cook often and want your spices organized and easy to measure, this spice rack makes everyday cooking faster, more organized, and far less messy overall too. This is the personal size blender, and it is perfect for quick smoothies and shakes without any hassle. It comes with two 18-ounce portable cups that include spout lids, so you can blend and drink on the go without needing extra dishes. The push-to-blend design keeps things simple, with no confusing buttons or settings to learn. It is compact enough to fit in small kitchens, apartments, or even office spaces without taking up much room. Cleanup is quick, since the cups double as your drinking container after blending is done. If you want an easy way to make smoothies without a big bulky blender taking over your counter, this personal blender is truly a great daily fit. This is the portable mini dishwasher, and it offers a modern solution for small kitchens and apartments. It uses a fully automatic 360-degree spray system to clean dishes, cups, and small items without needing a full-sized dishwasher. It is USB rechargeable, making it flexible enough to use even where plumbing hookups are limited. With a 4-liter capacity, it works well for singles, couples, or small households that do not generate large amounts of dishes daily. It also includes a cup holder, adding convenience for washing mugs and glasses. If you want to save time on hand washing without installing a large appliance, this mini dishwasher is truly a smart, modern, and very space-saving solution overall. This is the round electric skillet, and it gives you a versatile cooking surface right on your countertop. With a 12-inch nonstick surface and a 5-quart capacity, it is large enough to cook meals for the whole family. The adjustable temperature control lets you switch easily between frying, simmering, and slow cooking. A vented glass lid helps you keep an eye on your food while it cooks, without letting too much steam escape. Heat-resistant handles make it safe and comfortable to move, even when the skillet is hot. It is also dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick after busy meals. If you want one skillet that handles many cooking styles, this electric skillet is truly a great option. This is the bamboo cutting board, and it is a durable, eco-friendly addition to any kitchen. Measuring 18 by 12 inches, it gives you plenty of room to chop vegetables, meat, or bread without feeling cramped. Made from 100% organic bamboo, it is naturally strong and resistant to knife marks over time. The built-in juice groove catches liquid from meat or fruit, keeping your counter clean while you work. Its large size also makes it useful as a serving board for cheese, snacks, or charcuterie during gatherings. If you want a sturdy, good-looking cutting board that lasts for years, this bamboo option is truly a smart and very practical choice for your busy kitchen today. This is the 5-tier coffee station, and it turns any empty corner into a stylish coffee bar. This farmhouse-style stand includes 5 tiers of storage, giving you plenty of room for your coffee maker, mugs, syrups, and snacks. 4 S-shaped hooks let you hang cups or utensils, adding even more storage without using extra shelf space. Its corner-friendly design makes it perfect for small kitchens, entryways, or living rooms, where space is limited. The sturdy build keeps everything stable, even when fully loaded with coffee gear. If you love coffee and want a dedicated space to organize everything neatly, this coffee station truly adds both great function and style to your entire home space right away.